Samlar Machu, also spelled Samlar Machu, is a delightful Cambodian sour soup with lemongrass. It's not overly sour, instead, it combines sweet, salty, and mildly spicy flavors. Here's a simple recipe for you: simple Samlar Machu, Cambodian sour soup. Recipe: ingredients: 1 lb white fish, such as cod or tilapia, cut into cubes. 2 stalks lemongrass, bruised and chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 shallot, thinly sliced. 2 cups vegetable or chicken broth. Juice of 2 limes. 1 tbsp fish sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro leaves for garnish. Instructions: heat 2 tbsp oil in a pot over medium heat. Stir-fry the shallots until translucent. Add minced garlic and the cubed fish. Stir for about 3 minutes. Add 2 cups of broth, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. If you prefer a more soupy consistency, add the remaining broth. Simmer until the fish is cooked. Add the chopped lemongrass and lime juice. Garnish with fresh cilantro leaves. Serve hot with a side of jasmine rice. Enjoy your flavorful Cambodian sour soup. If you ever find yourself in Cambodia, consider taking a cooking class to explore more unique Khmer dishes like Samlar Machu.